Hi, when my children were growing up, I came up with this idea of making the beans and chips sabji. It's the runner green beans. Potatoes, I've sliced them, and potatoes actually give it a nice texture and another depth to the green beans sabji. In Punjabi, these are known as hariyan faliyan. Hari or hara means the color green, and fali is runner beans or green beans. Hello everyone, welcome back, and if this is your first time to Avtaars world, you're most welcome. This is very quick stir fry. Washed these thoroughly in the cold running water and removed any soil particles, and of course then something like this will be taken off, top and tail. There you go, all the way down. Let's try this side. Slicing them thinly, and this is going to make the appearance or the presentation of the dish will look nicer. I have some dry spices here. All of those are 1 teaspoon each. That's carom seed or Punjabi jwan seeds, ajma in Hindi and Gujarati, haldi or turmeric powder, coriander seeds which I've crushed them into a powder, fennel seeds, I've crushed them into a powder, mustard seeds. Those two dry ingredients, I've got 2 teaspoons each. The mustard seeds and the cumin or rai and jeera is a lovely combination that goes into the food. So I've got like 2 chilies which I've crushed, and they are 1 teaspoon, some garlic there, a little bit of ginger and fresh tomatoes. So this dish is going to include the rapeseed oil. It has got its own distinct taste, and that adds to the flavor, and it also adds to the taste of the sabji. India, they would use mustard seed oil. So roughly 4 tablespoons. The color is so bright yellow. Add the mustard seeds so that they start crackling straight away or popping. And I've turned the heat off now. I want to cool the oil down now. For the next spices, I don't want the oil to be hot burning. The cumin seeds or jeera seeds go and join the rice seeds or mustard seeds. Another ingredient is carom or ajwan. Because the beans are fibrous, the caraway seeds that really help with the digestion. Add the garlic because I like to get them cooked first. The oil still has got enough heat in there for the garlic to be fried. So this control over the heat actually helps with the end product of your dish. Garlic done nicely. Add your turmeric so that it starts releasing the flavors into the oil, and immediately throw the runner beans or the sliced green beans. Now I'm actually really excited about this dish because this particular batch comes from our own allotment, grown here. There you go. Mix everything. Let all those spices coat the faliyan. Throw your ginger in, green chilies, salt, and coriander powder. I want it to release that flavors into the cooking oil. Coat them nicely with all the spices, and it is getting a little bit thirsty of water. Just a tiny dash of water in there so that spices don't get burned. Another tiny dash of water. Cover these and let them cook. Roughly for 3 minutes, I've just let them simmer. These were slightly firm, so in goes the potatoes, and hence my beans and chips sabji. Turn the heat up to the maximum now. You will have to watch it and let the potatoes get cooked, as well as all the flavors will start combining. I'm going to cover it. Turn the heat down now. There's no additional fluid in there. 5 minutes or so into the cooking, and I've taken the lid off. Mix them again, and just a drop of water. Another thing is I'm using those spices. I want to enhance the flavors of the main ingredient. Few more minutes into the cooking, and you can just test by trying to press the green beans, and they're all getting mashed. That means it's all. And if I check that with the potato, it's done as well. Add the bowl full of tomatoes, throw them all in as they are. And my secret ingredient, it's crushed fennel powder. Earlier, I actually added the caraway seeds. Now, according to the Ayurveda, those are hot potency, so is ginger and so is garlic, and you want to balance those spices. So the ground coriander powder, that is cold potency. Same goes with the fennel seeds, that's the cold potency, and that will balance the potency as such, and it will also balance those flavors. A couple more minutes into the cooking after adding the tomatoes, and is ready. Very little time gone into it, very little spices gone into it, all those aromas that are coming out of it, and absolutely beautiful colors. It still retained the green color from the phalia, aloo, potatoes, and the tomatoes. What an appetizing dish, and it's something to die for. I hope you've enjoyed being with us, and thank you. Until next time, God bless you all. Take care, and bye-bye for now.